Right, wanted to show you where I've gotten to. I've basically rebuilt it. So that's all the drawers have been taken out. I've removed the back, as you can see right through it at the minute. And the reason I removed the back was because I wanted to re-glue the drawer runners, which are these. I wanted to take those off because every single one was completely loose and they needed re-gluing. You can see the chest of drawers is a real basic chest of drawers. You couldn't get it any simpler. At some point I should imagine it was painted, because if we're looking closely I can show you that all that white at the top, that's all caustic soda. So at some point in its life it was dipped into a caustic tank, and that was to remove all the paint off the chest of drawers on the outside, and obviously the inside gets caustic all over it as well, and all the joints get loose and they become loose, and so I'm pretty sure this is what's happened with this. So I've taken all the drawer runners out, re-glued them, pinned them. I've also built a plinth down here and leveled it out so it now stands level. I've also added all new drawer stops, so the drawers go to the right depth and stop where they should, and all the drawers are now put back together. So that's, each one of them had to be dismantled and rebuilt. So we're pretty much there. All I have to do now is put the back on, well, clean the inside of the chest out, and then put the back on, and then think about the finish. So yeah, so we're all up together at the moment, and I'll show you what it looks like hopefully tomorrow.